Hello students, in our previous video we understood some basics of partnership. Now we will continue to discuss the same topic further. Through today's video we will start numericals of our same topic, that is partnership. Now come on the next topic, what it is? Interest on drawing. Interest on drawing. But before knowing interest on drawing, we will have to know what is drawing. Drawing means if any partner withdraw cash or goods from the business for personal use, it is called drawing. Let's take an example. Suppose you are a businessman and you withdraw rupees 10,000 from the business for paying the fee of your son. That amount is treated as drawing because you are using that amount for residential purpose, not for the business purpose. Or on that amount you will have to pay some interest, because if you are taking that amount from the bank, then bank charge some interest on that amount. So it's your liability to pay some interest on the business also. So calculating that interest is called interest on drawing, and for that there are two methods are available. The first one is when drawings are not made on regular intervals. The another name of that method is product method. In this method, the interval between the first lot and second lot and third lot and so on are not regular. The intervals are not same. So that's why we will call that not made on regular, or in other terms irregular. The second method, when drawings are made on regular intervals, it means the interval between first lot or second lot or third lot are same. That's why we will call that regular interval. So one by one we are discussing both the methods. First of all, drawings are not made on regular intervals. That is our first method. For understanding this concept, let's take an example. If A withdraw money on the following dates: May 1st 2018 rupees 20,000, July 1st 2018 rupees 10,000, September 30 2018 rupees 30,000, November 30 2018 40,000, January 1st 2019 that is 20,000, March 31st 2019 that is 25,000. Rate of interest is also given, that is 9% per annum. Calculate interest on drawing. For calculating interest on drawing, there are two methods are available. But we apply which method? For this, we have to check the intervals, that intervals are regular or irregular. So just take in the example, May 1st, July 1st, September 30, November 30, January 1st or March 31st. That is also given in the question also. So let's check the interval. 1st May to 1st July, there are 2 months. In second lot, 1st July to 30 September, there are 3 months. 30 September to November 30, that is 2 months. So in this case, the intervals are not same. So that is first method. It means product method. So we apply the formula of product method. Here the amount is also given in the question: 20,000, 10,000, 30,000, 40,000, 20,000 and 25,000. So the actual solution is start from here. First of all, we have to calculate the time period. The year ending on 31st March 2019. So we calculate the time period in between May 1st to 31st March. From May 1st 2018 to 31st March 2019, the time period is 11 months. From July 1st 2018 to 31st March 2019, there are 9 months. From September 30 2018 to 31st March 2019, there are 6 months. From November 30 2018 to 31st March 2019, there are 4 months. From January 1st 2019 to 31st March 2019, there are 3 months. From 31st March 2019 to 31st March 2019, there are 0 months. So next topic is product. product is getting by multiplying amount into period. So 20,000 multiply 11, we are getting 2,20,000. Second is 10,000 multiply 9, we are getting 90,000. 30,000 multiply 6, we are getting 1,80,000. 40,000 multiply 4, we are getting 1,60,000. 20,000 multiply 3, we are getting 60,000. 25,000 multiply 0, we are getting 0. Sum of all the products total is 7 lakh. For calculating interest on drawing, we apply the formula. Total product, that is we have already calculated, that is 7 lakh. Multiply rate, that is given in the question, that is 9%. Divide by 100, multiply 1, divide by 12. We always put 1 upon 12 in each and every question of product method. By calculating this equation, we found that the answer, that is 5250. Now come on the second topic, when drawings are made on regular basis. For this we have to learn the table, and I am giving the easiest way to learn the table. So for this we have to know about what is regular time period. The regular time period can be in the form of monthly, quarterly, half yearly or 9 monthly. In this there are 12 months in a year. In this there are 4 quarters in a year, or the time period of 1 quarter is 3 months. It is a special case. In this we assume that there are 6 months in a year. In this we assume there are 9 months in a year. So first of all we will calculate the value of middle part. So 12 multiply 1, that is 12, and half of 12 is 6. In this 4 into 3, that is 12, and half of this, that is 6. In half yearly, 6 into 1, that is 6, and half of this is 3. In 9 monthly, 9 into 1, and half of that amount is 4.5. Now come on the beginning. 1, half of 1 is 0.5. We add on 0.5 in 6 and we are getting 6.5. In this we deduct 0.5 from 6 and we found the answer 5.5. In this half of 3 is 1.5. We add on 1.5 on 6. We get the answer 7.5. In this half of 3 is 1.5 and we deduct 1.5 from 6 and we are getting 4.5. In this half of 1 is 0.5. We add on 0.5 on 3 and we are getting 3.5 and deduct 0.5 in 3 and we are getting 2.5. In this half of 1 is 0.5. We add on 0.5 in 4.5 and we are getting 5. In this we deduct 0.5 on 4.5 and we found the answer, that is 4. Here the important note is also given. Drawing is always calculated for yearly basis. Second point, if any information is not given, then we assume 6 months. Third point, if per annum is not given with rate of interest, then we assume 12 months. Now come on the formula, that interest on drawing is equal to amount multiply 12 multiply rate divide by 100 multiply average month divide by 12. In this we put 12 in the case of monthly, we put 4 in the case of quarterly, we put 6 in the case of half yearly and put 9 in the case of 9 monthly. For understanding this concept, let's take an example. Here A and B are partners in a firm. You are informed that A draws ₹10,000 from the firm in the beginning of every month. In this, the important factor is beginning or month. So it is the case of monthly, or in monthly there are 3 cases: beginning, middle or end. Here is also it is mentioned that it is the case of beginning. Second point, B draws ₹10,000 from the firm at the end of every month. Here the important point is every month. So it is also the case of monthly, and here the time period is also given at the end. So The next information that is given in the question, that is rate of interest, and calculate interest on partner's drawing. First of all, we calculate the A's drawing, then B's drawing. Interest on A's drawing is equal to, first of all, I already mentioned that the drawing is always calculated for yearly basis. It means the information that is given in the question, that is monthly. So we convert that monthly information into annually basis. So the solution 10,000 multiply 12 for converting the monthly into annually. Here rate is also given, that is 8%. 8 divided by 12. Multiply average month. For the beginning, the average month is 6.5 according to the table, and there are 12 months in a year. By solving the equation, we found the answer, that is 5200. Now solving the case number 2, here we calculate interest on B's drawing. First of all, we have to convert the information of monthly into annually. So 10,000 multiply 12, and the rate is also given, that is 8%. 8 divided by 100, and the average time period at the end, that is already mentioned in the table, that is 5.5 divided by 12. After solving the equation, we found the answer, that is 4400. Now let's take another example. A draw rupees 8,000 in the beginning of every month for 9 months ending 31st March 2016. Calculate interest on drawing at the rate of 10% per annum. So here the important information is beginning of every month. So it is the case of monthly, but for 9 months, or in 9 months the information is given beginning. So it is the case of third, that is 9 monthly or at the beginning. So now we calculate the answer. Interest on A's drawing, there is 8,000 multiply 9, because it is the case of 9 months. Multiply rate, that is given in the question, that is 10% divided by 100. Multiply average time period, that is already mentioned in the table, that is 5 divided by 12, and after the equating the answer, we can found the answer rupees 3,000.